Colby's in his new ride, cooking with Dad. Colby Reese. What are you doing in there, honey? Are you in your new backpack ride? Are you just not impressed? Are you trying to tell me that there's something on the stove that needs attention? Hi. Hi, dear. Hi, Pumpkin. You see how cute in your little ride?
Look at this. Look at Daisy.
Let's get a different angle. Colby. Colby. I'm over here. Hi. What do you think? Is that a cool ride? Don't care? Alrighty then. See you later.